Yo, guys, hey, we got the Rambo knife out today because these joints right here, I'm telling you, are an all-time classic, are an all-time grill, and we finally have them back in 2025, which is crazy because we've been getting so much heat this year, and just to get sneakers like this and other sneakers down the line to put on top of everything we already got, it's just kind of hard to believe, but we gotta unbox them. We gotta talk about them. I need everybody to go ahead and drop some fire emojis in the comment section because you already know we got some heat in today's box, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one of the ones from your boy DeVintage, man. Always greatly appreciate for you guys to come pull up and see what we have to talk about. We did an early look in a minute. I think the last early look we did was the Cavestone 4s, but these are just straight up on a whole nother level in terms of, you know, the nostalgic behind them. Just everything about these joints just scream like, you know, grails in my honest opinion, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. And if you are a part of the Noti Squad, I need everybody to drop them bells down below. Let me know who tuned in. Let me know who tapped into the video off notification. It'd be greatly appreciated. Make sure you run them likes up, man. Everybody watching, run them likes up for your boy DeVintage, especially if you want to see more content. We've been going on a tear, man, for this last couple days. The Undefeated 4 release has just taken over the week in terms of content. I have so much other content to do, but it just seemed like these just kept popping up in headlines, bro. Just kept popping up. Like, this is something going on with these joints every single day. But I think we've probably seen the last talk about these until maybe we get a restock. You never know. You know, all them pairs from EA, the 2 waves of EA on Nike sneakers, that might see something like they did with the brick by bricks in terms of a late shock dropper. Something. We don't know. Something could potentially happen. But hey, man, Jordan 4 Undefeated is probably going to go down as a lot of people's sneaker of the year, man. But we got to get to these joints in today's box. All right, man, so I was supposed to drop a video inform you guys that these were available on a site called, dang, I can't even think of the name. I'm putting a little title right here or the name of it on the screen because I can't remember what it was. Something NYC, but they did a early drop for these along with the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's, which you guys know I need to add them Chicago on my lows to the collection. One for the gym. I wear Jordan 1 lows to the gym primarily, so I need one for the gym, and I need one to just have on ice. Just want to have on ice, you know what I'm saying, to keep fresh, keep clean. But for these, bro, I just had to have them. The pair that I had back in the day, I had to get used, and I feel like, you know, it didn't give me that same fulfillment, that same joy. I need a fresh, crispy pair. You remember you got a new pair of J's back in the day, a new pair of sneakers, you lick the bottom of them. I ain't saying we're doing that no more, but just to get a new pair, a crispy pair, a DS pair, just feels a little bit different in my honest opinion, man. So let's go ahead and check them out. You guys should already know exactly what they are. We pull them out the box. You guys see them, man. Check it out. You see the Nike swoosh up top. You see the box. This is an Air Jordan 12 box. Quality inspired by the great, engineered and built to exact specifications of a champions athletes from around the world. Y'all see them, and then the official colorway reads Air Jordan 12 Retro, white, black, and of course we got them taxi guys, 9.5, bro. Shouts out to the brand I can't think of. I'm gonna put the screenshot up here, the name. But yes, sir, I already see the toe cap. We already see the toe cap on these joints, man. And yes, they're finally here after so long of waiting. We waited so long to get these, and now they are officially here in full effect, man. Check them out. The Air Jordan 12 taxi guys. Look at them, man. Oh, man. These joints so clean. I got to pull both of them out of the box. I know we didn't get no retro card, nothing like that. Let's get that out the way and check them out, bro. Finally, after years of waiting to get the regular taxi 12s, we finally get them in 2025. We done got the royalties. We didn't got, well, we done got so many variations of a taxi looking sneaker, but we never got the real deal Holyfield with the taxi 12s. But you guys see them. This is the 2025 pair of the taxis that we will be getting in a couple of weeks. Usually it's in September and October. I can't think of the date right now. Put this, the date on the screen. But they feel really nice. Like, they don't feel bulky, they don't feel heavy. But something I am seeing that's not like the older pair is the shape. The shape is a little bit different, but I don't think that's nothing too bad to complain about. I wouldn't complain too much about the shape on the Jordan 12 because they all generally are shaped the same, but it is a little bit more slender on the toe box. Usually got a little bit more, little cushion up there, a little extra oomph on the toe box. But for these, they are something, what you can look at. You can look at the Mellow 12, how those are shaped. Can't talk right now. And I believe the Flu Games was shaped a little differently as well that released this year. But bro, look at the quality in itself is really nice on these guys as well. Of course, you got your all black mud guard, you got your black midsole, and then of course you got that taxi at the bottom, the carbon fiber plate. You already know what's popping. You already know what we got. You got your red Jumpman on the outsole near the toe box. And just looking at them, yeah, even looking at this shoe from this way, like, this angle, you can kind of tell it's a little bit more slender, a little bit more sleek. But maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. I'm gonna go grab my other pair up there. I'm gonna grab those in just a second, just to kind of do a quick comparison. But yeah, man, I'm excited, y'all. I'm super excited. Who else is excited about the Taxi Air Jordan 12s finally releasing? No more of those, gimmick Jordan 12 taxis. No more royalties. No more Chinese New Year 12s. Nothing like that. This is it's official, bro. It's officially here, and I am excited, bro. Got your tissue paper in there. Got your red Jumpman on the insole, and just overall, it's the Taxi, bro. It's the Taxi 12. Like, I'm just happy that we finally and officially are getting them. No more pushbacks, no more cancels, no more other variations. These joints is just clean, bro. You got your 2-3 on the tongue, got the Jumpman up here in black, and this overall, I'm telling you, when you get them in hand, you're gonna be like, yo, these joints is clean. They nice, they fire. You know what I'm saying? Just give me, back in the day vibes when I was in high school, seeing people get them. I think I was about 10th, 11th grade. Last time these released, I'm trying to think. Can't think of the date. I don't know the year. I think it was 2013. I'm not too sure. I think it was 2013. But, just actually, owning and possessing a new pair, you're going to see a lot of differences. I feel like they lighter or something. I don't know what it is. They lighter, they more sleek, they more slender, and they just crispy, bro. It's the Taxis. You got your gold hits on the lacing system up here. Things, yeah, little gold hits, what I'm saying? Not too crazy. Nothing, they can't, it was hard to, I guess you could say, not execute these perfectly, bro. They executed these joints with perfection, in my opinion. Again, little slight differences in the shape, little slight differences in a couple aspects of the shoe, but overall, man, I think they did a very, very good job on the back. Of course, you got Jordan and then quality inspired by the greatest player ever, 2-3 on the back. You got your orange and red Jumpman logo back here. And yeah, man, it's the Taxis, bro. I can just sit them right here and let you guys check them out. They are officially back. And what's kind of crazy is they selling for a pretty penny right now. These joints is selling for a pretty penny. It was a little shocked, what I'm saying? Usually when you get 12s, they're not going for too much. But just looking back at the Flu Games, the Flu Games sold out, right? And the price was still sitting around like 300s, mid three, some even sitting close to $400 right now. So we could see the same thing happening. We ain't got these since what, 2013? That's 20, well, how many years is that? 12 years? 12, 13 years since we got these. So who's to say the next time we're going to get them? That's why I be telling you guys, I'm talking. If you don't want to wait for the retro, you want to get them now, don't wait for that, between that 2 to 3 year mark when we ain't getting them for a while. Go ahead and snag them while the prices are right. But right now, I will wait. I would definitely wait to snag them because, bro, these, I think I paid close to $400 for these. And I was like, God damn. I was like, I had to do it for content, of course. I had to give you guys some content. And, I just wanted them in the collection, what I'm saying? I just definitely wanted them in the collection. If you ain't first, what I'm saying? You ain't got them on feet first, you ain't popping out. Then they kind of, we got to put them on ice for a while. That's just my perspective. That's just how, rock my sneakers. If I don't get them early, and I'll wear them early, I might put them joints on ice for like a whole year. That's just me, bro. That's just me. I got so many shoes. You guys can understand that. But, me personally, gotta definitely pull these out before the drop date. But yeah, let me go ahead and check out how much these is going for. I was like, yo, should I buy them off this site? Let me just check real quick before I'm just talking and having to put screenshots and stuff. I'm gonna tell you exactly where I did get them from. I was supposed to drop a video. Now you guys know where to get them because it was like an early drop, almost like the cool grade 9s that happened earlier this year. Another nostalgic joint that I had to have in the collection. But let me go to my shop app. Yo, District 1 New York. That's where I got it from, District 1 New York. But again, the prices are pretty hefty. It's pretty hefty. I think I paid about I paid $350. Ooh, $350 for them guys. But you know, it is what it is. You know, I definitely want to bring you guys the content and show you guys these things early. And I did want to check the release date for these Taxi 12s, because I believe it's sometime this month, right? It got to be sometime this month. So no, I'm wrong, bro. These joints released November the 8th. So we got these almost, what, 2 months early? 2 months early on the Taxi guys. And look how much them joints is going for. Almost $500 in almost every single size. And again, it's 2 months early. It's only, you know, it's limited pairs, you know, spread out through there. But don't let this be one of the ones where you think, you know, gonna sit. Don't let this be one of the ones you think gonna, you know, go under the radar. It's not happening. Just look at the past couple of OG colorways, nostalgic colorways that we got this year. But the prices are not, they ain't friendly. The prices definitely is not friendly. Just look at the steel 10s. Look at the flu game 12s. Look at the metallic 5s. Autumn joints tend to just continue to rise. So hey man, they might be one of the ones. It might definitely be one of them ones. But I'm happy to show you guys these things early. Try to get some good little 360 looks at them. You know, kind of check out how them joints is hitting for. I need everybody in the comment section to let me know, will this be a cop? Will this be a drop? They fired, you don't like the shape? Let me know everything. Vent to me down below in the comment section, because you guys know I love reading you guys' comments, and I respond to every single one, man. So here goes the 2013 Taxi right here on my left, and it's, I don't know if it's something about the mud guard look a little bit shiny, or maybe it's just a little dust accumulated on them doing something, I don't know. But this is the 2013 pair, and this is the 2025. You guys can instantly see the differences in the toe box. You guys kind of see how it's got a little extra little hump on it. And this one, the newer pair, is a little bit more sleek, if you guys can see the differences. Try to give you guys a nice little side shot, side little angle as you can check it out. But man, we are already out with the we can go ahead and toss these. And this might be an actual gym beater. I wore it to the gym a couple times, but these will officially be a gym beater. Or, you know, I might start cutting the grass. I don't know. Because we got the 2025 guys, man. This is what I needed. This is what I've been waiting all year for. And I thought this would be my shoe of the year, my sneaker of the year. But bro, it's been so much goddamn heat, bro. It's been so much heat come out this year. I don't even know what my sneaker of the year gonna be. I'm gonna have 10 number ones, bro. I might have to do a top 20 sneaker pickup, because there's been so many dope bangers that it came out this year, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. I need everybody to run them likes up for the Taxi 12s. Good vibes today. It's Saturday. I need everybody to let me know how they feeling about the Taxis, man. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure, if you ain't a part of Naughty Squad, hit it right now and let me know in the comment section if you are new, so I can go ahead and get a nice little warm welcome over here. And again, run them likes up. We got more content on the way, more early looks on the way, and we got a nice double up coming in. You guys should know exactly what they are, man. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. All that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.